Hello, good morning. I'm again with some exemplar questions for class 7 students, but this is from chapter 2, that is nutrition in animals. Here I'm writing this chapter, that is nutrition in animals. Okay, the last questions are from chapter 1, that is nutrition in plants. Okay, this is the chapter 2 exemplar question, and question number 1 I'm going to discuss about. The question number 1 here given below are some food items here. The food items are given. Number 1, boiled and mashed potato, second food item has given glucose solution, third one have given here a slice of bread, and fourth has given mustard oil. Okay, mustard oil. The question here, some food items are given. I have already written. Now the question is asking which of the following will give blue-black color when treated with iodine solution or iodine. Which food items when treated with iodine gives blue-black color? Okay, I'm just explaining it. Iodine gives blue or black color when in any food item contains starch or carbohydrate. You see the starch or carbohydrate present in the leaf by the photosynthesis process. To test this, we use starch, so that the portion of the leaf which contain starch becomes blue or black in color. Okay, when it comes in contact with the iodine solution. Here we have to find out which food is carbohydrate type of food. Boiled and mashed potato, it is carbohydrate food, and slice of bread, this is carbohydrate food. So when these two types of food are treated with the iodine, it will give, okay, I'm not writing this. These two food items contain carbohydrates. Okay, when they treated with iodine, it gives blue-black color. Okay, so option number 1 and option number 3 is correct answer. Let's see the glucose solution and the mustard oil. Mustard oil is fat, and glucose is monomer of carbohydrate. Okay, so they never give blue-black color when they are coming in contact with iodine. I hope it is clear now. Thank you for watching. Bye.